Hello folks, let's check more mice today. As you can see, this is the new from Logitech Pro X Superlight 2. It should be the fastest, lightest, best gaming mice ever built. Let's unbox it and see what it's all about. Let's go. Not bad. Looks very light. At this point, let's play a little weight game. I have few other mice that I've been using, much older of course, but my point here is to check the weight of each and every one with my standard tool. So the lightweight model is 40 grams, okay, not bad. This is the old one from SteelSeries. It's full of hair, as you can see. This is why I don't really like the honeycomb design. That's 1 gram more. Okay, interesting. And older one from SteelSeries, this is the Prime wireless. No, that's 12 grams more. Not much differences, in my opinion. This is empty. What is else here? The dongle, the USB-A connector, and the USB-C adapter. God damn it. I'm guessing that there's the cable. Yeah. What's this? Ah, so you can keep the adapter here by traveling, and this will actually replace the cover, adding more, less friction with the new, I don't know, blade on the below of the mice. Nice. What is this? Connecting instructions. Oh yeah, this explains that it is faster this way. Yeah, good. The software is same as on the old ones. You should have about 20 centimeters distance from the adapter. Well, interesting. These are actually grips for the mice, so you can install them. Can I do this actually? Let's try. Not bad. Another one. I was sure that I was going to fail this. That's good. The grip is totally better this way. What about these? Are these for the sides? Yes. No, this won't be here. It's this side. No, but it will cover the nice Superlight text. No. Well, I can live with that. Damn it. Nice. Yeah, I have to admit that overall adding the tapes here makes it more firm for your hand. Other than that, nothing else on the box. No lights on the mice, which is kind of a good. Well, there's little backlit on the Logitech G logo, but you don't really need any LEDs in the mice anyway. That was it. Quick hands-on test for the Pro X. I will be using this for a while, and I will let you know later on what I think about it. Thank you once again, Logitech, for making this possible, and keep following and watching what we come up next. Thank you.